Hi friends, happy to see you on my channel. Today we are drawing this cute jellyfish. Let's get started. The head of our jellyfish is going to be bell-shaped, and I will start drawing a curve which goes down and curves out a little bit. I will leave the gap on the top and will draw the same line on the right side. On the top of the head, let's draw 3 curves connected together. And we will complete this bell shape with one wavy line on the bottom. Now we are going to draw one curved line inside. And we will close the shape with one more wavy line. This is gonna be the face area. And let's add eyes and a mouth. 2 ovals for the eyes. Circles for highlights. And we can fill the space around highlights in. We can add eyelashes. And let's draw a cute smile. Alright, it's time to draw tentacles now, and they're going to be connected to this inner part of the head. So I will start from the left side and draw a random curve. Go back and connect. One more on the left side. Another one in the middle. And also here and here. Okay, it looks perfect. Now let's add thinner tentacles in between. Just draw a random wavy line and add a spiral at the end. And do the same 3 more times. And we're done with the first step of our drawing. We finished the line work. Now the second step would be coloring. When you color, remember about highlights. And the third and the final step would be thinking about the ideas how to level up our drawing. And this is our result. I think our jellyfish turned out cute and lovely. Now let's think what details you could change or add to get your own artwork. I will give you just a couple of samples. You can change her shape and color, or you can even try to add a bit of a storytelling here and draw a happy jellyfish that found a beautiful pearl. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and see you next time. Bye!